Bitcoin just dropped again, but guess what? I'm about to trade this live with just 100 US dollars right here on Binance Spot. Some people think buying now is crazy, but wait till you see what the chart is actually showing us. Before we go any further, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Always do your own research before trading crypto because this market can flip fast. Most traders panic when Bitcoin dumps, but that is usually where the real opportunity hides. In this video, I will analyze Bitcoin, that is Bitcoin USDT trading pair, and Binance, which is BNB, making use of BNB USDT trading pair. And this is going to be live, step by step, and show you how I plan to manage real 100 USDT trade using spot strategy only. We are keeping it simple, transparent, and fully live. So let's start with Bitcoin. At the time of this video, BTC is trading around 120 to 121,620 something, down about 1.1% in the last 24 hours. The first thing I'm noticing is that the RSI, let me show you RSI, which is a relative strength index. RSI, this is it. Are you seeing it here? RSI is sitting near 39. It's even 39.54 now, which means Bitcoin is approaching oversold zone. So let me check MACD. On the MACD, we've got bearish momentum, but it's flattening, which means a classic sign of a possible reversal is coming soon. Then let's check Bollinger. This is Bollinger. You can see it here. Are you seeing it there? This is Bollinger. Are you seeing it here? This is Bollinger. The Bollinger bands are also narrowing with the price touching the lower band. Yes, I'm making content. Okay, I'm making content. I hope you will not shout, not disturb. Please, don't shout, yeah? See that it's showing me there. Don't touch it, don't shout, don't talk, yeah? Don't make noise, please. Yeah? Don't shout, alright? So that tells me that market might be undervalued in the short term. But here is the part that will divide the opinions, because I actually don't see this as bearish. I know for sure some traders will disagree with me. Yes, very sure some traders will disagree with my trade. But me personally, I believe this drop looks more like a liquidity sweep than a crash. Daddy. Victoria, look for penicillin there and help to apply to his hand. Yeah? Don't shout. Yeah, go and sit down. Check inside. As long as Bitcoin holds 121 or 120,000 plus, and as at now is 121,300 something, I am expecting a bounce towards $122,000 to $123,000. Now, let's switch to BNB, one of my favorite altcoins to trade. I come here, search for it, BNB USDT. BNB is currently sitting around 1,242. As at time when I started this tutorial, it was $1,235, which is down over 5% in the last 24 hours. That is a heavy dip, but dips like this are where we make smart entries. Look at the RSI. It's down at 23 point something, which is deep in the oversold zone. Daddy. Let's check the MACD. Okay, this is the MACD. The MACD is still bearish, but starting to flatten, meaning selling pressure is slowing down, and the Bollinger band are wide open with price breaking below the lower band. That is usually a temporary overshoot before a recovery move, where critics will say BNB is breaking support and is too risky. But here is what I personally disagree. The stronger the dip, the cleaner the bounce when volume steps back in. And right now, volume is starting to pick up again after the sell-off. So here is my trade plan. I mean how I'm setting up my $100 trade for this live session. I will set my entry zone to 1,227. So I'm going to click on buy button. I click on buy, then I ensure this is in limit. But there is something I take note of. My target when I'm making this video, is tutorial. So I supposed to have entered the trade since. And look at it now. This has already reached 1,227 and going back. So I think let me just enter the market right now. So instead of limit, I will change this now, put it market. Then I will put my $100 there. Then click on buy now, confirm. Good. That it being I am not making tutorial video, I will have put it limit and buy and set 1,227, but it has passed. So now let me give you how I will set my selling. So I will click on this sell, then I will change this market to this OCO. Anyways, this one is optional, but let me explain. I'm going to set 3 take profit. Take profit 1 is going to be 30%. Take profit 2 is going to be 40%, and take profit 3 is going to be 30%. So this take profit 1 here, go and cover it up. Go and cover it up. Tell it to come now. Now. I'm going to put 1,002. Yes, Victor. Please, I will round it up. I will go a bit down. I will sell at 1,270 here. Then stop loss, I'm going to put 1,210. For stop loss trigger, I'm going to put 1,212. Then stop loss limit, I'm going to put 1,210. Then the amount of BNB I want to sell for this first take profit, I'll put 30%. Yes, this is 30%. So I will leave it like this. So like this, I click on sell BNB. First one is gone. So the second one also, that is take profit 2. So I will take profit at 1,285. Then stop loss trigger, that's 1,212. And stop loss limit is 1,210. So this one I'll put 40%. Then I'm going to click on sell BNB. My children are around, seriously need my attention. So let me quickly round it up. I will round it up now. Hold on. Please. I'm coming now. Please. Give me 2 more minutes. Let me say something real quick. Trading is not about calling exact top or bottom. It's about reacting to zones of probability. Right now, Bitcoin and BNB are showing weakness, but they're also sitting right at demand levels. If Bitcoin holds $120,800, it could drag BNB upward or downward as well. But if Bitcoin loses that level, we will see one more dip before the bounce, and that is still fine because we are trading spot, not leverage. That is the mindset difference between traders who survive and those who blow up. I know some people watching this will say, why trade with just $100? You can't make real profit with that. But here is the truth. If you can't grow $100 safely, then you will destroy $1,000 on leverage. Master discipline before chasing sides. If you are really enjoying this my tutorial, please make sure you give me a like on this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I feel like to go further, but my children are right beside me, really need my attention. So please make sure you subscribe for more live trading tutorials and more crypto values. Remember, every dip looks scary. I'll beat you until it becomes a recovery chart. Trade with logic, not emotion. I am Sheyi Dairo, and this was Crypto Live Trading. Stay smart, stay disciplined, and I will see you in my next videos. Bye, I will see you in my next video.